Discover the Beach House by Range Developments, a luxury waterfront address on Al Marjan Island. Enjoy breathtaking Gulf views and direct access to pristine beaches. Minutes from Ras Al Khaimah International Airport and just under an hour to Dubai. Exclusive and versatile residences. Just 88 limited edition unit sizes range from 505 square feet to 3,874 SQFT. Luxury residences with sunlit open plans, floor-to-ceiling windows, and many featuring private balconies. Pricing starts at AED 1.35M for studios, with 2 BRs from AED 2.2M and larger units reflecting the beachfront premium timeline and payment flexibility completion set for Q1 2026, making it a near-term opportunity. Developer offers an accommodating 70/30th payment plan, 5% booking, 15% at SPA, 65% during construction, 30% at handover resort-style amenities. Residents enjoy a full suite of premier leisure features, resort beach and infinity pool, state-of-the-art gym and spa, club lounge and recreation, and 24/7 security and concierge. These include private sandy beach access, on-site wellness facilities, communal play areas, BBQ terraces, landscape lounges, and comprehensive services, ensuring safety and convenience. Cutting-edge investment potential market. Positioning as an ultra-luxury, low-density seafront project boosts exclusivity and demand. Close proximity to the Wynn Resort means high visitor traffic, with projected ROI up to 15%. And average area rental yields around 6%. All nationalities can invest, and buyers above AED 2M qualify for a 10-year golden visa. The ultra-limited 88-unit inventory heightens scarcity and long-term value. Lifestyle and surroundings. Walkable waterfront boulevard with restaurants, shops and cafes within the complex. Close by, Al Hamra Mall, Turtle Beach, Flamingo Beach and Al Hamra Golf Club. Perfect for family fun and relaxation. Final thoughts. The Beach House by Range Developments redefines coastal living, offering exclusivity, luxury, and investment potential in one of the UAE's most promising destinations.